Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Firmware and drivers must match the Super Display requirements so performance is predictable. Plug the display into the host using USB-C or DisplayPort and attach external power if the panel needs it. Once connected, set your host output to the panel's native resolution and refresh rate to avoid scaling artifacts. Make sure to unlock any OS display layouts so the monitor appears. These first actions prevent hiccups and let you move to advanced configuration without wasted time. Once the display is recognized, launch the Super Display Control app or use the on-screen menu. This is where you choose color profile, HDR mode, and refresh behavior. You should calibrate color, either quickly with the built-in presets or precisely with a colorimeter for consistent results. Next, configure scaling and arrange multiple monitors so windows snap predictably. If you have more than one input, set input priority to avoid accidental switching. These middle steps tune image quality and workflow stability before final tweaks. To finish, run pixel and motion checks and enable motion smoothing only if it reduces ghosting for your content. Save your tuned profile and export it so you can restore settings quickly after updates. Back up the configuration to cloud or a local file. If something goes wrong, first cycle inputs and reboot the host, reset cables, and try an alternate USB-C or DisplayPort. If the display remains unresponsive, verify firmware version and update. These steps resolve most final stage issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.